Losing weight isn't hard. Losing fat while preserving lean muscle, that's the real goal. At Bioprime Medical, we don't just help patients lose weight, we help them preserve performance, energy, and metabolic function while doing it. Whether you're using GLP-1 medications or a structured nutritional protocol, muscle preservation is essential. The reason is simple. Muscle mass protects insulin sensitivity, regulates glucose, supports testosterone production, and preserves mobility as we age. Yet many weight loss programs overlook this entirely. We mitigate muscle loss through resistance training and strategic protein intake. Body composition is tracked using DEXA or InBody every 8 to 12 weeks, and lab markers like CK, AST, and insulin guide our adjustments. Patients who follow this approach often lose visceral fat while improving strength, balance, and energy. Fat loss alone doesn't equate to health. Our goal is recomposition. Less fat, more strength, and optimal function. That's a sustainable path to true metabolic health.